Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Adobe Sign for beginners, covering everything from setup to sending your first document, step by step. First, start by visiting the Adobe Sign website or downloading the Adobe Sign app on your device. You'll need to create an account if you don't already have one. Click on Sign Up, enter your name, email, and create a strong password. Then verify your email to activate your account. Once your account is active, log in and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You'll notice sections for sending documents, tracking signatures, and managing templates. Take a few minutes to explore these options so you feel comfortable navigating the app. To send your first document for signature, click on Send for Signature. Upload the document you want signed, whether it's a PDF, Word file, or another supported format. Adobe Sign supports multiple file types, making it easy to work with the documents you already have. Next, add the recipient's email addresses. If you have multiple people who need to sign, you can add them all at once. Choose whether you want the recipients to sign in a specific order or simultaneously. Sequential signing is great for contracts, while parallel signing works well for approvals. Now you'll specify where each recipient should sign. Drag and drop signature fields, date fields, and text fields onto the document. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient. Adobe Sign makes this visual and intuitive, so even beginners can do it without confusion. After setting up the fields, add a message if you like, giving instructions or context to the recipients. Then click Send. Each recipient will receive an email prompting them to review and sign the document digitally. You can track the progress in real time from your dashboard. Adobe Sign notifies you when someone opens, signs, or declines the document. This eliminates the need for back-and-forth emails or physical paperwork. For documents you send frequently, consider creating templates. Templates allow you to predefine fields and recipients, so you only need to upload the document each time, saving a lot of time in the long run. Adobe Sign also integrates with popular cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive, allowing you to access and send documents directly from your storage accounts. Once all signatures are collected, Adobe Sign automatically compiles the completed document and stores it securely. You can download it, save it to the cloud, or share it with other parties. The platform also provides an audit trail, so you have proof of all actions taken on the document. For mobile users, the Adobe Sign app allows you to send, sign, and track documents directly from your smartphone or tablet. The interface is optimized for touch, making it easy to manage signatures on the go. By following these steps, beginners can confidently use Adobe Sign to send documents, get multiple signatures, track progress, and manage digital paperwork efficiently. Adobe Sign streamlines the signing process and makes document management simple and professional. Subscribe the channel for more videos.